Hi everyone. Today I have a whiteboard here. So this is my whiteboard. It's white and I have some whiteboard markers here. So these are whiteboard markers to use with this whiteboard. And I want to see which ones work and which ones do not work. So which of these markers work and which ones don't work. So let's see, how many do I have here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 whiteboard markers, 10 markers, and 3 of them are black. So I have 3 black markers, and 7 of them are blue. I have 7 blue markers. So let's see which ones work and which ones don't work. So first I'll test the black markers. So this one works. This black marker works. What about this black marker? Does it work? Yes, this one works too. And how about this one? Does this one work? Yes, this black marker works too. So all of these black markers work. All 3 black markers work. And now how about the blue markers? Which of the blue markers work and which ones don't work? So let's try this one first. Yes, this blue marker works. And what about this one? Oh, this one does not work at all. So this marker does not work. So that one does not work. I'll put it aside. And what about this one? Does this one work? Yes, this blue marker also works. And does this one work? Yes, this blue marker works too. Does this blue marker work? Yes, this one works very well. And does this marker work? Just barely. It works, but not very well at all. So it kind of works. It does not work very well though. How about this marker? Does this marker work? Yeah, it works, but not very well. So I have 7 markers that work very well, 4 blue markers that work well, and 3 black markers that work well. So these markers work very well. These ones kind of work. Yeah, this one does not work very well. How about this one? Yeah, this one works, but not very well. And this one, yeah, this one does not work well at all. So it's garbage. So let me erase the board here. Let's look at some other things that work and other things that don't work. I also have 2 locks here. So these are 2 locks. You would use them for bags, for luggage when you travel. But this lock doesn't seem to work. If I change the numbers or do anything with it, it won't lock, and it just stays unlocked. So this lock does not work. This one does not work. But this lock works. So if I use the combination, if I set the numbers here, 1, 2, 3, there, it opens up, so I can unlock it, and then I can lock it again. So close it like that, and then change the numbers. So this lock works, but this lock does not work. It does not seem to work. And also here I have a fan. This is a fan, so I'll try to turn it on here, but it doesn't work. The light doesn't come on and the fan does not spin around. So this fan does not work, but that's because the batteries are drained. It has no battery life left. So if I take this power bank and I use this USB cable, I can plug it in. So I'll plug the USB cable into this power bank and plug the other end of the cable into the fan, like that. And then if I press the button, oh, you can see the light is on here. So this has power, this power bank has power. And then I can, oh, it's not working. How do I get that to work? Let's try again. Oh, there. So now this fan is working. So this fan works, it just needs power. And also I have another USB cable. So this USB cable works, this power bank works, this fan works, And I have this cable. This cable, you can see it's kind of broken. It looks broken there, but you can still use it. It still works. So if I plug this in to this power bank, plug the cable in here, and then take this one out and plug this one in, plug this one into the fan. The fan works, so the fan is getting power from this power bank. So this USB cable, even though it's kind of broken here, it still works. So this USB cable works, and this USB cable also works. So both of these cables work, and the fan works, and this power bank works.